Is okay? Oh, perfect. Hello, everyone. I have the pleasure of introducing Martin Letzner from Matti Group. Martin is going to talk to us about direct-to-shape printing, specifically, well, also about the book edge printing technology, the Chroma Edge. We're very excited to hear from you. I hope you enjoy.
You hear me? Yeah. Yes. Imagine if your favorite design could be brought to life in an instant. Just not on paper, or on fabric, or on a label, or on a layer. Just direct, printed on object itself. Welcome to the world of direct print to object. Yeah, a few words about me. My name is Martin Letzner. I'm responsible for sales and marketing at Matti. And we jump quickly to the agenda. I will say a few words about our company, give a short introduction to the direct print to object. We see some areas of applications, and in the end we will present our Chroma Edge book edge printing system, the last great opportunity to help the book printers bringing the books from white, boringly white edges to very bright and vibrant color printed book edges. Yeah, Matti, we call to ourselves, we are professional Lego brick players, and we have many bricks of that for OEM systems or special and customized solutions. We have also our own products and serve also maintenance and services. With all what is in the range of physics, we try to print on substrates and objects and test it mainly on our own laboratory before we start. We have a huge, as an independent agnostic Swiss integrator. We are based in Switzerland. I think you can hear it. We are also on the German part of Switzerland, and a little bit more optimistic than my previous speakers before in the morning, but we have for sure less of words available for the day. Printhead and electronics and ink and fluids, that we will there we have a huge partnership with many different printhead manufacturers and ink manufacturers as well, and also for peripheral equipments to bring our system to life. What means direct print to object? Direct print to object means that you can, on any substrate, print directly without any layer and or labels. The advantages, besides the low waste and the contactless deposition, is the speed, because you save time compared to traditional production, and also the surfaces like paper, glass, and metal, polymer have a huge flexibility to print on the objects itself, and the cost efficiency, because you don't use additional material. When we have a look on the areas of applications, direct print of object, you can also print some structures on metal or on plastics. You can print on food or cosmetic packaging, cables, also on caps, plastic caps for milk drinks or something in the food industry. And printing on artificial corks is also much in common. Drill bits. We have some project where we can print on drill bits in the Grove, some messages or brands or your favorite football team or whatever. Packaging. A lot of customers looking for printing on their foil that they are better able to recycle the foils, that they not have to bring the labels away before they bring it to the recycle construction. And here we have metal cans. Also caps, and last but not least, also book edges. We have here a challenge and limitations for the surface finishing. The printing on different materials and surface can be tricky if it's glossy or porous. We test normally the best pairing of ink and printhead for the application and for the surface, and that starts in our lab. And the same is for the durability of the print result. That can also depending, and there is very important that you have a very tight and strong partnership and exchange with the ink manufacturer and the printhead manufacturer as well. Let's talk about our Chromo Edge project. A huge customer for book printing came to us and say, hey, we have a problem. We have the order of multiple million books printed on edges, and it becomes more and more every day. And we have systems with a lot of labor effort, and they brings an output of 350 up to 400 books in 1 hour, and that is not enough for us. Can you help us? They ask us, Matti, can you help to print in an industrial way, a green button solution for us, and printing on all 3 edges? Yeah, that was the task. And then we came together and make a kickoff meeting and sharing ideas, finding a common approach, and try and start with the implementation. First, we start with the ink. And here we choose for book edges a high viscosity water-based ink, which allows to print with very vibrant colors on the book edges. When you visit the bookstore, there are some book edge printed books where the color is more faint than vibrant. And the high viscosity approach is really a game changer. And also to find the best pairing printhead as well, very high durable, very durable and an industrial printhead for this application. And then we create the system where the book will go from down to up with the spine first, print the first short edges, then the second, and then we have a turning system with 90 degrees, and we print the last edge in the end. And this system can be used standalone, can be installed in a process. It comes normally from a 3-night cutter and goes out to a pelletizer or a fast book system, and with the perfect matching components and software solution and smart modules, we could help the customer to print 10 times more books in an hour, and as a green button solution with a attractively priced, high viscosity, water-based ink and with vibrant colors. And it was really a game changer, and many book edge printers are also keen and interested to have this system, because benchmark was this on the left side. They do a good job for sure, but it was not for the amount of books the industry now needed is not the solution in the end. When you see the result of compare high viscosity water-based ink compared to standard water-based ink, you see a difference. This is the same amount of ink printed, and this is really a huge advantage that you have 25% less of ink consumption, and also the efficiency gain is 95% compared to the existing systems. And what brings the future? Yeah, I think book is not the last station, not the final destination for the system. You can also print on notebooks, notepads, business reports as well, or notepads. And there are many more opportunities to print with this system on edges. And yeah, this, if you have, at the moment, yeah. What if I told you that you could skip the traditional production and production process and print your design directly onto any object? No more limits, just endless possibilities. Let's talk about. Thank you very much.